In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit note to an invoice on QuickBooks Online. Applying a credit note can be an essential feature for managing customer accounts and ensuring your records are up to date. Whether you've issued a refund or applied an adjustment, credit notes help keep everything in balance. So let's dive into it. Once you're logged in, draw your attention to the top of your screen and look for the New button. This button is your gateway to creating anything new within QuickBooks, whether it's an invoice or, as we need in this case, a credit note. After clicking on New, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you various options. From this menu, select Credit Note. As soon as you select this, a blank credit note form will pop up, ready and waiting for you to fill out with all necessary details. Now, let's move on to adding the customer for whom this credit note is being created. Under the Customer field, click to either choose the appropriate customer from the list or simply start typing in their name until it appears. It's important to get this step right to ensure the credit note is reflected accurately on the correct account. Once the right customer is selected, we move on to focus next on the product or service for which the credit note is being issued. You'll find a section specifically labeled Product Service. Click here, and you'll be able to itemize or add in any specific products relevant to this credit note, if necessary. With the details of the product or service sorted out, it's time to add the amount. In this part, you'll type in the exact amount that corresponds with the credit being issued. Double-check this number for accuracy, as errors at this stage could result in reconciliation issues further down the line. Having entered the amount correctly, we're almost done. The final step here is to save and send the credit note. Toward the bottom of the form, you'll see the Save and Send option. Clicking it accomplishes two things. It ensures the credit note is saved to your records and provides options for sending it out to your customer. You can choose to email it directly to them instantly or save it to send at a later time. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a credit note to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. By doing this, you ensure your accounts remain precise and that your customer records stay up to date. With a bit of practice, this task will seamlessly become a routine part of managing your business's finances. Thanks for joining in, and happy bookkeeping.